Next, let's talk about page requirements and naming. For a Showit design, you should have at least 3 pages. One under standard pages, home as an example. And then you should have 2 blog templates. One needs to be named blog and one needs to be named single post. Those are the 2 required templates for Showit to work properly with a blog. When it comes to naming your pages, your standard Showit pages up here, we suggest generic naming. So sticking to terms like home, about, contact, portfolio, gallery, keeping generic naming will make sure that the user's URLs are very clean and simple, and a user can always customize the page title settings on the right-hand side under SEO to be able to include longer terms that might include the city and location of where they're at, maybe targeted for wedding or portraits, information like that can be customized in the page title that'll be used for the browser and for SEO scanning without adjusting the actual name of the page. Now, it's important that those terms stay generic so that a user doesn't feel like they need to rename a page, because if they rename it, it will actually break the links within the site. So for example, if you had an About Madison page in your template that you were selling, a user whose name wasn't Madison might feel that they need to rename that page just to About or to About with their name in it. But if they did that, any of the links to that page would also break and they would have to reconfigure the links. So those are a couple of things to keep in mind when setting up pages in a design.